Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good day everyone. It's great to see you again in my class, Essay Writing. Still with me, Akhyar Rido. So this is our first meeting for the semester in my essay writing class. So before I start, I would like to inform you about what you're going to do in this semester. So we will start with module 1, which is today. So I'm going to introduce you to essay, parts of essay and types of essay. And in module 2 later, so I'll give you an explanation and outlining a descriptive essay. Next, we will discuss about evaluation and discussion on descriptive essay, followed by explanation and outlining a narrative essays. In module 5 or meeting 5, there will be evaluation and discussion on narrative essay, followed by writing descriptive and narrative essay. You will also do explanation and outlining an argumentative essay. After that, evaluation and discussion on argumentative essays. And then you will do like explanation and outlining a cause and effect essays. It will be continued by evaluation and discussion on cause and effect essay. And in module 11, there will be explanations and outlining a division and classification essay. Module 12 will be about evaluation and discussion on division and classification essay. And module 13 about explanation and outlining a comparison contrast essay. And the last one, which is module 14, there will be evaluation and discussion on comparison and contrast essay. So students, if you look at this table of contents, so you will basically learn how to write, evaluate and discuss various types of essay. So it will be started from descriptive essay, narrative essay, and then argumentative essay, cause and effect essay, division and classification essay, and the last one will be comparison and contrast essay. So we will start our meeting 1 today. Okay? So the topic of this meeting will be about an introduction to essay. I'll explain to you about the essay itself, why writing is important, its part and types of essay. If you look at our learning objective for today is that, so after completing this lesson, you are able to understand the language and structure of an essay. Okay? So look at the outline. Again, I tell you that we will start with introduction to essay writing, number 1. Number 2, we will continue with parts of essay. Number 3, we will continue with types of essay. And the last part, I want you to analyze different types of essay in your practice. Alright, now let us start the first part of this module. Now, students, listen to me. Look at your screen. This is the fundamental question that I normally ask my students, okay? Why writing? And why writing is important? Why you have to learn writing? And what is, the use of writing for your future career? Now, you look at point 1. Why writing? Point number 1. Remember, you will be professionals, in the future. Professionals, especially when they need to justify professional choices, they need to develop the ideas in written documents. Alright? So number 1, remember why writing is important, because in any kind of professional career, someday you need to develop and put your ideas in written documents. Okay? That's why you need to be able to write something. Okay? That's number 1. Point number 2, remember students, professionals also need to employ different kinds of writing. It started from descriptive, narrative, argumentative, and many more writing skills to support the decision. So basically, as a student, university students, especially English literature students, you must be able to write different kinds of writings, especially here, essay in this context. Okay, I will continue why writing is important. Okay, this is related to your development of skills. Look, so number one, writing can enhance your critical thinking skills. All right, and number two, it can also improve your communication skills, especially in written form. Number three, writing can nurture creativity and self-expression. And the last one, this is related to the previous part of my explanation, is that writing can benefit your study and future career. Okay, so remember these four things, why writing is important. Number one, enhancing critical thinking skills. Number two, improving communication skills. Number three, nurturing creativity and self-expression. And the last one is benefiting your study and future career. Let us continue. Now, we move to the main discussion of this module, which is about essay writing. Okay? Now, there must be something in your mind. You must ask questions to yourself. So actually, when you want to write an essay, actually how many paragraphs that you have to write in an essay? Now look at the screen, students. The number of paragraphs in university essay can vary, yeah? But it is usually 5 paragraphs or more. And it has a complete structure. Remember, an essay must consist of introduction, body, and conclusion. Yeah, remember, I need to highlight this is that in university, students have to write at least 5 paragraphs, yeah, to complete an essay. You can write more later, okay? So, when we talk about the next discussion in the module, we're going to talk about parts of essay. So, I already informed you just now that when you want to write an essay, it must consist of introduction, number one, number two, body, and number three is conclusion. Now look at the screen. What I just mentioned to you, we call as parts of essay. All right, parts of essay. Now, I want to show you, briefly, what is the difference actually between a paragraph and an essay. Now, look at this. So, last semester, you already learned about paragraph writing. Yeah? Normally, a paragraph consists of one topic sentence, several supporting sentences, and concluding sentence. So, that's what constructs a paragraph. But you have to expand your paragraph into an essay. So, essay is much bigger than paragraph. So, essay consists of many paragraphs. Yeah, in this context, like I already mentioned to you, it consists of at least 5 paragraphs. Yeah, and the paragraphs, has different function. Number one paragraph, let's say, as an introduction, and let's say 3 paragraphs, we call it as body of essay, and 1 paragraph as a conclusion of an essay. Now, let us take a look at it one by one, when we talk about an essay. The first paragraph of an essay you call as introduction, introduction. What should be written in introduction? There are 2 things that you have to write in introduction. First, that's what we call as general statements. So you have to put general statements in your first paragraph of essay. And number 2 is thesis statement. That's what we call in introduction. So you must have these 2 things. First is general statements, and number 2 is thesis statement. Okay, so I hope you understand until this stage. Okay, now we move to the second part of the essay. Second part of the essay, we call it as body. Normally, body is like an extension or explanations of the introduction part. All right, so the construct of body normally consists of like any normal paragraphs. Topic sentence, supporting sentences, some supporting sentences, okay, and concluding sentence. So you can have various, number of paragraphs to construct your body of essay. But normally, like I said to you before, it consists of 3 paragraphs, okay, and each of the paragraph will have different topic sentence. So anything that you stated in the thesis sentence has to be expanded in the body of the essay, okay? So that's basically the construct or the structure of body. Yeah, remember? Topic sentence, supporting sentences, yeah, several supporting sentences, and a concluding sentence. Okay? Now we move. Number 3. This is the last part of an essay. We call it as conclusion. So what should be stated or written in conclusion? Normally, you write your restatements of the points that you have mentioned in the body part of your essay, or you can summarize it. And the last one, you can have or write your final statements as the closing of your conclusions. Okay, students? I hope that this is very clear, yeah, for you. That remember, an essay consists of introduction, body, and conclusion. That's what we call as parts of essay. All right, so I hope we can move to the next explanation. Okay, students, now we break down. Yeah, I'll explain to you a little bit more one by one. Now we talk about introduction. So first, we call as general statements. So the general statements and the thesis statement is in introductory paragraph, and each of them play a specific role in the essay. So I'm going to talk about general statement first. Remember, you will start your essay with introduction, and introduction you have to start with general statements. So what is the function, or what should be written in general statements? First, you have to introduce the general topic of the essay. How? You can look at the topics given. All right? So introduce the general topic of the essay. And number 2, what you have to need to do is capture the reader's interest. So you have to get the attention from the readers by putting or writing something which make them interest to read your writing. Okay, so that's general statements. There are 2. Okay, and number 2, we have thesis statements. So what should be written in thesis statement, or what is that thesis statements? So basically, thesis statements states the specific topic. Okay, list subtopics of the main topic, for example, indicates the patterns of organizations of the essay, yeah, indicates the writer's position or point of view. Remember, you can have like first point of view or third point of view, all right? And thesis statement is usually the last sentence in the introductory paragraph. So in introductory paragraph, you have to close it with thesis statement. So you have to be very clear there. If you want to mention 2 points or 3 points, it reflects the following paragraph. So if you mention 2 subtopics, for example, or 2 subpoints, which means that you will have 2 paragraphs in the body of your essay. All right? So that's about introduction. Now we move to the next part of the essay, which is about body. All right? I'm sure that you've been very familiar with this because you've learned about paragraph writing in the first semesters. But then I'm going to tell you again what should be stated in the body of the paragraph. All right? So body of an essay, all right? Body of an essay mainly consists of 2 things. Yeah, remember, I already mentioned topic and supporting sentences. So what is topic sentence? Yeah, topic sentence expresses the main idea or center point of a paragraph. Yeah, it also indicates what the paragraph will be about. Okay, and topic sentence helps to establish the paragraph's focus and coherence. So actually, that's supposed to be in the topic sentence, or what is it, topic sentence. Okay, Now we move to supporting sentence. Remember, students, in the body of the essay, you have several paragraphs, like 3 paragraphs or more. And in each paragraph, you must have topic sentence, yeah? Only one topic sentence and several supporting sentences. Now we are talking about supporting sentences. What is the function of supporting sentence? So, supporting sentence basically elaborates on the main idea. So, your main ideas, the topic sentence has to be elaborated further, yeah? Second one, supporting sentence provides evidence. So, if you want to give facts, yeah, figure, or you want to give, you know, examples, so then you can put it in your supporting sentence. And then supporting sentence also offers explanation. So you can put explanation like definitions or anything like that to explain the topic sentence. And the last one, it enhances coherence. So look at the unity and coherence of the paragraph.